This is after our waterfall ride. You missed Jill groaning. Yes, Lani's attempt going up. It's wonderful. Time to meditate. We're going to be calling in the jungle animals. We've had an amazing adventure ride. People went into the waterfall who wouldn't have normally. Yeah, that would be Heather.
I was in there totally.
Yeah, it was wonderful to see. So this is the end of our week. I just wanted you to see actually how relaxed they look versus knackered.
Our soaking wet boots and our totally wet pants, and we're missing half our underclothes.
I think you guys heard it. They're missing their underwear.
They came off in the waterfall.
Okay. Not quite sure if that needs an explanation, but more to come on the next episode.